It's called the MVP process. So we have the MVP method or process or framework, whatever you want to call it. The M stands for moisture management. So when it comes to moisture, if you're trying to manage moisture, if you have an air things and it's like, hey, your moisture is a problem, what can you do? Well, we have two devices here that can take care of moisture management. On my right, we have the dehumidifier, and on my left right here, we have a steam humidifier. These devices, they can work independently, but when you put them in tandem working together, what you create is a streamline of humidity. Comfortable.